Our next designer is Paul Poiret, and that's someone who was a little bit different from the designs that I truly enjoy and try to focus on, which is more of that elaborate, glamorous sort of design. However, I chose to note him because of his avant-garde designs and how art and fashion sort of melt together so tightly that you couldn't sort of ignore his influence as far as his artistic expression of fashion. He was born in 1879. His fashion house was Poiret. And again, he was known for his avant-garde designs inspired by Orientalism. If you look at some of the images that I provided within the notes, you can see some of the designs that he was most famous for, some of the shapes that you'll begin to sort of see in the 1920s of sort of this very slimmed down look. Whereas Frederick Worth, his designs were big and voluminous, and they were just these very enormous pieces with a lot of internal structure, boning, and these kinds of things, whereas his designs were a lot more relaxed and took a lot of pressure off of women as far as like having to do the corset and the bustle and all these kinds of extra things. If you can see how some of those designs have sort of translated today, we see the harem pants, which we may know as the genie pants, where it's full towards the inseam and more narrow towards the ankle. His most famous design was the minaret or the lampshade dress. If you see the image within the notes, you may understand why it was called a lampshade dress or a lampshade tunic. It looks like a lampshade. Poiret dies in 1944, and his house unfortunately also does not continue. So the first three designers so far we've covered, their houses sort of die with them, and they're more known for what they had previously done than what they're currently doing. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Videos are uploaded weekly covering dressmaking, fashion, lectures, and more. Enroll in Lady Cloth U on Teachable for dressmaking and fashion design courses. See you again soon.